Okay. Sir, magandang araw po. Ang una po, na isa sa problema po sa lungsod ng Baguio ay hindi lang po traffic, kundi ganyan din po sa pangangailangan natin ng parking. Ngunit, sa aming pong pananaliksik, sa aming pag-interview, sa aming pag-research, sabi di umano ng TIESA na kung saan ay hawak po nila ang Burnham Park, sabi po dito ay bawal po na tayo ay magpatayo ng any structural building sa Burnham Park kahit ito pa ay multi-level parking. Ano po masasabi niyo dito?
Yan. Pumunta ka sa Burnham, ilang structures ang nandun. One is the library. Second, yung tennis court. Third, yung hindi matapos-tapos na Youth Convergence Center. Those are structures. And at the back of the swimming pool, may ginagawa doon na athletes quarter, na building. Sinong nagsabing hindi pwede magpatayo ng building? You see, but anyway, there are existing parking lots in Burnham like the Jadewell and below the University of the Cordilleras.
Malapit sa athletic field.
If you introduce something like multi-level parking, something that you can remove anytime if you want to remove it. Wala naman sigurong masisira doon. We'll see, if I'm the one, we'll see to it that it will add to the aesthetic beauty of Burnham Park. Kasi kung sa walang structure, marami namang structure dyan na bindil na, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count 5 structures. And another one that is being built now at the Ibaloy Park. Yon, those are structures that are necessary, and the parking is necessarily needed also. Punta ka sa mga parks in other countries, meron silang specific areas where there is parking. Ganun yan. So, for me, there will be always a way to remedy situations. There will always be some exceptions, which if it is very necessary and a must, then it can be a ground or reason to exempt it from any existing rule. Ganun yun.
Pero kung kayo po yung aming tatanungin, saan pong parte sa Burnham Park ang maaari nyo po i-introduce na maging multi-level parking?
Doon nga, so sa existing existing parking areas natin.
Yung malapit po dito sa UC
and then dito sa may dito sa may Gansa parking. Isa rin yan.
Pero ito po ba you are proposing na maging structural building or collapsible po?
Collapsible.
Much better.
Much better yung collapsible. Why? Kasi anytime you can
pull it out.
Pull out yun. Look at the parking building in UB. Yan. Bolted yan. So if UB would like to remove it, they can remove it anytime. Although dun sa floor niya concrete.
So, hindi na po kayo magpo-cause po ng traffic along that area kung sakali man po na doon natin ilalagay itong mga flexible parking?
So, lahat ng areas na ilagay mo ng park, may queuing. What is important is we are accommodating. We can accommodate as much vehicles na pumupunta rito because we cannot stop people from using their vehicles also. Although there are things that can be done in order to encourage people, especially the tourists, not to use their vehicle. It's an ordinance that was passed and approved by the LTFRB that yung route plan, traffic route plan, no? PUB route plan, yon. There are at least two tourism route na nandun which can be serviced by jeepneys para yung mga pupunta ron ay na lang mag-jeep, may dedicated service na jeep na talagang tourist jeepney na pupunta sa mga lugar na yan so that syempre yung capacity nito marami so that yung mga may car magparada ka na lang at wag ka nang pumunta doon sa mga parke na may sasakyan, mga ganyan. So there are at least two tourist route na nakalagay doon sa local traffic transport route plan natin na approved by LTFRB.
Okay. Marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan, ano, na iyo pong mga advokasya kung ikaw po ay uupo na mayor sa lungsod ng Baguio. But for now, are you ready to be the next city mayor of Baguio?
Of course, we are ready. Ready tayo. You know, we want people of Baguio to be happy. No? Happy sila sa mga policies natin on everything that affects their lives. Like, not only transport, but business, yung pagkakakitaan, economic enterprise, yung mga ganyan. Gusto natin sila na happy sila that they are not, they don't feel that they are being extracted
Or left behind?
or they are being, they should not feel that they are being predated by predator.
I know. Okay, I get it.
Kailangan naaayon sa naman sa what is existing on the ground and what is just and reasonable limits, mga ganyan. No?
Okay.
To see to it that our people will really enjoy their activities or their life.
Here in Baguio. Okay.
Maraming kwan yan. It goes ranging from business to land tenure to itong mga buildings natin, no? Transport, other things like our environmental concern, garbage,
Health.
sewage, health,
Social welfare.
and the social welfare ng ating mga kabataan, mga senior citizen, and the underprivileged. And marami pang iba na sectors or something general that will really affect them. Yung pro people, pro poor policies, pro economic growth na mga policies ang gagawin natin. Pro tourism, ayan, and pro Baguio people, yan ang dapat. Are the people of Baguio happy? Okay yan na policy. Or is it only the tourists who are happy? Pag tourists lang ang happy, that's not a good policy. So, the bottom line is the people of Baguio. Are they happy? If it is yes, your policy is good.
If it's not,
If it's not, your policy is bad. Yeah.
okay.